Hi guys and welcome back. This is an improved version of how you can export a Premiere Pro project in Adobe Premiere Pro 2024, an updated version. So let's say if we have the sequence here and then it has some, videos, tutorial videos about how you can play a Roblox game just like this. And then if you want to export it, go to File and then Export and then click on Media. You can also opt for media encoder exporting, but for this time I'm going to export the sequence using Premiere Pro instead. Set the directory, click on location, and then set the folder in which the video will be exported, and then you can name it, for example, tutorial, something like that, on Roblox. You can even, publish your video to, YouTube, X, Vimeo, TikTok, Facebook, even to Behance, just like so, by, clicking on, one of these, or maybe more than one of these, video platforms. And then you can change the format to MP4, which is H.264, or even you can change it into a video with Apple ProRes codec with higher quality videos. You can choose ProRes 422 HQ. If you choose 4444, it's used so that you can generate alpha channels behind an animated logo. For example, it's used for broadcasts. So if you're using OBS Studio and then you import that video with this ProRes 4444 codec, you'll have this on-screen overlay for your broadcasts or your screen recordings, that's to say, with the animated logo, just like so. We're going to pick this. You can adjust the resolution. If you want to make the resolution lower, click here, something like that. If you want to change the frame rate to 30, which is half of the FPS for the sequence, pick 30, more like this. For the field order, I suggest using progressive. If not, there will be these bars on the edges that are seen in this sequence. So I suggest turning it on, something like that. You can if you want to let's say do some tweaks with the audio, something like that. 48,000 hertz is the standard. 2-channel is also the standard. If you want to make a video with multiple channels, you can pick any of these numbers of channels. If you want to increase the sample size to 24, I mean stay with 16, something like that. If you want to make the subtitles appear, for instance, effects, something like that. And then when you're done, click on export. That's how you can export a Premiere Pro project, so that you can edit films, and then you can actually have the end result prepared, so that you can upload it to video streaming platforms. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for me. It's good day. Ciao. Wait for several minutes, and then when the rendering or the exporting is done, a large light blue rectangle will appear on the bottom right.